This man has 7 Super Bowl wins. The day has come. The clock is ticking. With Brady on the way, Speed has a little more time to get some training in. Having 2-time Super Bowl winning wide receiver Danny Amendola there to help doesn't hurt. If it's Tom Brady Speed wants, it's Tom Brady Speed will get.
What is that? Doctor? Oh yeah, it's on. It's on. Hey, I can't believe it, bro. He's really ready.
This man has 7 Super Bowl wins.
Here he goes.
He won a ring in 3 different decades. That's more than any NFL franchise. Now, he's here for Speed.
Oh my God. Come on, let's go.